So where do you go? Which route does this bus take? Uganda. So Flagstaff. No? Flagstaff. Out of Flagstaff. So what do I? So a lady comes up and says, I'm going to Flagstaff. What you pressing? Stage 1. But Flagstaff is from where to where? So how much is the first stage? I'll be able to see 60 of them. This way? Thank you. What's your name? Huh? Yeah, no,